Okay, so now I'm live according to OBS. Okay, nice. Okay, now it says I'm live now. Oh, now I'm live. Congrats. So will it show now in the... Yes. Okay, so it still says it's private for some reason, even though I've never set it to be private. But sure. We go to live streams. Here is the live. Public. Okay, so I think I'm live now, please. Okay, let me just confirm it by going to the channel through my phone. Dude, I just got a message from YouTube asking me to go to sleep. Yeah, this is crazy. YouTube is trying to fuck me up. I can feel it. Okay, so now it says I'm live. Let me try and switch account just to confirm it. See. Yeah, I'm live now. Finally! Is the quality good? Yeah, that'll do. Let's go, finally. Okay. So, let me send the live stream. Okay, I'm live now. Finally, please. Okay, I'm live now. Finally, please. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, nice. Finally it works. Let's start working on this IDE. So, there's basically one issue I've noticed, and that is if I tell the AI to, for example, edit a file, let's just say edit the style of privacy policy to be better. Let's choose this one. Okay, so this is also an issue. Yeah, so this appears too late, apparently. And now that it edits the file, basically. Let's see.
Hello, guys.
Yo, what's up?
Hello. Okay. I see that you're doing your thing.
Me?
Yeah, you're are you guys working on the project that we came up with, or are you guys just doing some other stuff? Are you not doing? We're not doing it anymore.
Oh yeah, so I'm actually, I don't know, like I haven't seen anything more in the Discord server regarding it, but I'm actually working on the IDE right now, trying to improve it. So, oh, welcome to the stream, Motions. Welcome. Switch to this account. What do you mean exactly? Switch to this account? Can you explain? Welcome to the stream. So right now, what I'm doing is that I'm working on an AI-driven IDE, similar to, for example, Cursor, you know. And so this is not Cursor actually. This is my own IDE I'm working on, and I'm trying to fix some bugs right now. You can see it's very similar. Yeah, I'm live streaming right now, so that's why I'm talking to the live stream. Let me see. So I have some small bugs here. For example, when it's editing. Oh, okay. So you are emotions. It's you're the same person, I guess. So this is the thing. It's editing files. That works great, at least for this model. The problem. Okay, this is also a problem. Should add some padding there. So let me see. This model is really slow. Sorry, what?
So you're adding the video related stuff, or the not necessarily the video, but you're adding the co-working features eventually.
Yeah, I mean that's the idea. I don't really know yet. I'm working a lot on the agents itself, like to make them perform very good. But that's, yeah, we should do that. I will look into it. You know, we actually looked at the live sharing extension that VSCODE has, but it's not open source, unfortunately. So we'll have to implement that manually, which will take some time.
Right. Yeah, because I think it's a great idea, you know, to be able to code with your friend, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Absolutely. Let me see now. Now I'm gonna do this. I'm actually gonna. We are running the client. Let me just drag this over here. So this is the page, and we are going to this page. Yeah, this looks awful because it doesn't have any keys, but we're not trying to improve the design of this page. This is just a random repo I'm working inside. The idea is to develop this IDE I have, and as we can see, it's yeah. This is the. Yeah, I'm live streaming right now. Yeah. So this is the bug. This window here, this little box, shows the files that have been changed, and the thing is that when I accept it now, this user message box will go down a bit. Let's see. Wait, it didn't happen. Okay. Okay, it's not a bug anymore, I guess. Well, that's weird. I'll have to look into that later. Anyway, so this is working.
I was just passing through, you know. So,
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you are welcome to come back whenever you want. So, yeah. Oh shit! You can't see. It looks like I have a fucking flashbang in my face on the live stream. It looks like I have a fucking flashbang. I'm sorry, I have to turn down the brightness on my screen. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, let me try now. I've turned down the brightness. Is this better? Now I'm on a really light screen. Is it better?
Yes, you are beautiful.
Yeah, this is way better. Yeah, so we should improve this one, so let's go back to anti-gravity. Actually, let's fix this bug.
Yo, this live stream is like so late. It's crazy.
Is it? I don't know. I haven't actually changed the delay, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, but I think it's normal. I think it's normal.
Yo!
Hello.
Niggers, fuck niggers.
Is it this guy?
Exactly what we were saying. Exactly what we were saying.
Did you remove him?
You just mute small cat. Mute him.
Yeah, it's
No.
fine.
Like, self.
I mean, it's not really hurting anyone. It's like a live stream with 5 people watching,
No,
so...
I didn't remove him. Just mute him for yourself.
Yeah, is it this small cat guy? Oh, you removed him? Oh, thank you. What is stupid?
Exactly what we were
Yeah,
saying.
small cat.
Uh,
No, I didn't remove him. Just mute him for yourself.
no, but it's removed. It's removed. It's removed. Let's see. Fork Void. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so this is a fork of Void IDE, and I'm basically remaking it to work similar to Cursor, and I'm implementing different AI models such as open source, you know, like GLM 4.7, Minimax, and I have the Gemini as well. So yeah. So my plan is, I don't really know, like either.
What is today's target?
What do you say? Yeah, so either I will keep this project closed source and have like
What's
subscription.
today's target? The plan.
What do you mean? The plan for the subscription?
Bro, never mind. It's super late, bro. I'm just not gonna talk.
Dude, just mute
much
my.
delay.
Dude, just mute my stream. Like what? I'm actually gonna lower your voice because it's really loud. Here we go. Yeah. So my plan is to either do it subscription wise, so I'm gonna offer like all the good models and have it subscription wise and improve it, or I'm gonna open source it. I'm not sure yet. I don't really know. Either way, it's gonna be nice. So that's my plan. When can we expect a coin from? Nah, dude, I'm not gonna do that. Like it's crazy. I don't know what happened there in the other community. I have no idea actually. That's the reason I created this community. I mean, like, I'm not trying to advertise anything, you know. Like, I'm just trying to build a community where people can vibe, because I was really active in the Bridge Minds community. I was always I was in the co-working channel, talking with people and just working. So when this happened, you know, I was like, we gotta create a new community, or this will die out. Because I guess a lot of people left the community, like a lot of people left, and the moderators left and everything. Like it's crazy. So I don't know what's happened. Hello, Jesse Pinkman. Welcome to the stream. Can I ask you, why are you such bro? Yeah. Let's try this now. The terms of service. All as moderator were banned. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, some were banned and some just left. I mean, he removed the moderator tag for some people, so I have no idea what happened. And what was the reason for that? Was it because you disagreed with him? Like you thought he should have told you before? Okay, so this is not working. Or actually, no, I'm stupid. I have to. Let me see. Yeah, I have to restart this. Was it because you disagreed with him? Yeah, thank you for subbing. Thank you. And yeah, everyone is here. All the mods. Let me just actually make you guys moderators. Let me see. Let's see. There we go. I think you guys are mod now. You should try writing something. Yeah. Let's see if this works. It was not disagreement on one side of it. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what happened actually. I have no idea what happened. But yeah. That shit happens. Let's see if this works. Come on. I've had so many UI problems, like it's crazy, and I have like different UI problems for different models because they output tools differently. That's the thing. You gotta make like the UI work for all different models. For example, some models have interleaved thinking, so like they think before each and every tool call, and some doesn't have it. So it's yeah. You gotta make the UI look good for everything, basically. Let's see now. Holy shit, it's thinking. Oh, it's still not working. Damn. And this also have to have some kind of... So the editing is working, that's good. Let's see, what did it actually change? Why did it... Let's see if we can fix it by the next. I don't know why it changed so much. Like, I'm literally just asking for some padding. Like, what the fuck is this? Let's see what you're typing. You're gonna launch a coin. No, I'm not gonna launch a coin. I can promise you that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not here for trying to backstab people. Yeah, I don't know, like... He said he wasn't doing this for money, right? That's like, he was... That's what I've understood. Which comes very frank... Yeah, inside chat, of course. Wait, just ask me questions randomly. Yeah, so I have no idea actually why he did that. It's really weird. So let's... Wait, really? He like apologized on his stream, or... I haven't watched the stream. I only saw like the beginning, you know, when he was talking about selling the... I mean, like erasing all the coins or whatever you say. So, I haven't seen the stream. Yeah, so today I'm actually building an AI agent IDE. So this is the IDE. It's basically like Cursor. It's a fork of VSCODE, basically Void. And I'm basically trying to build a new agent IDE, and hopefully I will make it either open source or I will keep it closed source but have like subscription wise, and I will keep it, if I do subscription based, I will still have it bring your own key, so you can like use your own AI models. So I haven't really decided yet what to do, but we'll see what happens. And You'll probably notice that I'm a like one terminal guy. I don't prefer to have like 10 different terminals open because it's just so hard to keep track of everything, you know, what the AI is doing, and like you want to focus on one problem. But maybe we'll see a difference in the future depending on like what type of projects we're working on. I mean, if you're working on like big projects where a lot of functionality has to be built, I guess you maybe need more terminals. He lost himself, yeah. This is the new home now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to live stream a lot. I mean, this is basically what I'm doing, so hopefully you people can just join and enjoy this place and watch my streams. It's good so far. Yeah, I mean, it's a cool. I mean, it kind of looks like Cursor, right? That's what I'm trying to make it look like this explore drop down, and the way it shows everything. You see like the inline diffs and everything. So I'm trying to make it like a Cursor clone, but yeah, make it perform better. You know, I have like embeddings and different tools for the agent, so, and also make it work with like open source models, because you know, if you use Cursor, I don't think, from what I know, I don't think they have open source models. They might have some like older models, but it's still premium models. So you get, that's the thing, many people who buys the Cursor $20 subscription, they have it, they can use like the subscription for 1 day and then it's over. Like then they have to use the usage-based pricing. And I think if I create this with like the open source models, some people who don't really care about those extra intelligence for the premium models, they can use this app. And hopefully I will always like also be able to give premium models, but with a bit rate limits, you know. So I'll see. I haven't really figured that out. I've compared both. Okay, so it might be the why am I not able to scroll that down? Let me actually just do this, just to see in case this is the problem. I'm gonna save this picture of me having a flashbang in my face. So when I started the stream, I didn't know that my monitor had so much brightness that people couldn't see me. Let me show that picture. Like, maybe I should start live streaming this way. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, it's not running now. Let's see this. You tried GLM 4.7 Flash yet? No, I haven't actually done that, because I mean it's a less intelligence model than GLM 4.7 normal, so I don't really see why I would use it in this app. It will just make the agent worse, I guess. But is it good? Is it fast? I mean, it's a Flash model, so might be worth trying it. Yeah, it was like a flashbang. Yeah, I didn't know actually. I didn't watch the stream, so CS flashbang. Yeah, right. Guys, you know, like I'm a CS player. Do you guys play Counter-Strike? It's 30 billion, active 3 billion. Yeah, I mean, I could possibly implement it into this IDE in some way, I guess. It could be used for like less, for like for example, like sub agents. It could be used for, you know, when it's just like exploring the app to find stuff. I could use like a smaller, cheaper model, since those tasks are really like expensive in terms of tokens. So I guess like using the Flash model could work. Since CS 1.6. Oh really? You're an active CS player. That's cool. That's cool. Holy shit! This model is really thinking. Oh wait, I gave it the wrong prompt. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Actually, just improve the TOS page. Are you from Slovakia? No, I'm not. I'm from Sweden actually. So, does it sound like I'm from Slovakia? I thought I'm watching Simple's brother livestream Vibecoding. Do I look like Simple, or do you just mean due to the flashbang in my face? Is this Linux? Yeah, this is Linux. Yeah, I'm using Linux. So, oh, I still have the problem. Goddamn. Yeah, so this is Linux actually. I am a Windows user normally because, you know, I play a lot of games when I have time. So I switch between Windows and Linux. You know, I have like 2 different hard drives for that, SSDs. So this AI ID you're working on open source? Yeah, possibly. I think I'm gonna release it as open source. I guess like that would be the best thing to do because, you know, people can help me improve it, and, you know, Cursor, all these IDEs really, they already exist, so that might be the best decision to do. I shouldn't have asked it to improve the TOS page because it's trying to one-shot the entire page. I gotta fix this as well, like it has to use the edit tool for smaller tasks instead of just changing, like rewriting the entire. Actually, I could try fixing that now. Oh shit. Let's open a new terminal for that. Oh shit. I'm on the 100 euro subscription right now, so I might need to upgrade it, because, you know, I've never had issues before, but now that I'm working on such a big, you know, IDE, you know, a big repository, I noticed that I'm running out of tokens because I'm using the sub-agents and explore tools so much, and they just burn tokens with Opus, I guess. I think that would be the best prompt to give it. Let me see. This is Ostover. Fuck off. Ostover, I'm 7'5". Yeah, I'm Swedish. Dual boot. Bro, skratta, du förlorar du. Where are you from, Jesse? Nah, you kinda look like Simple, while Max, here's Dunk of Vibecoding. Maybe I should rename this channel to be just Simple the Vibecoder. Only CS players know. Yeah, I guess so. I don't play CS that much anymore. Like, I used to play a lot, you know, Faceit and stuff. I reached level 10. I was like, I think I was 2.7k elo, but then I just stopped playing it because, you know, I didn't really find the motivation in continuing. I played a little bit with friends, etc., but it wasn't really that fun. Oh, 192 centimeters, 95 kilograms. 90. Yeah, sure. This. Who's in the Discord, by the way? Oh, you're still here, Ostover. Are you a little shy to speak?
I'm here.
A little shy to speak, just typing in the chat?
Bro, nah, I just hate this delay, man.
I see the resemblance in you and Simpleton, but bro, come on, like. I mean, yeah. Tell a 9-year-old. I mean, seems like we have so many Counter-Strike players here, so I should probably just give up vibe coding and start playing CS instead. What do you think, guys? Is that the way? Let's see, what is it? It's changed in. Yeah, so this is the prompt in the front end. Let's see. Currently rewrite. Exactly. So I think that this is probably the issue. Yeah, let's try this. Let's see if it made. Let me just confirm that it didn't edit any server. No. Let's see. Let's try the same prompt actually, and let's reject that. Let's see. So will it use the edit tool to just, you know, make small changes as cursor does? You know, cursor, it only like changes small stuff inside of your code base, or will it use the rewrite tool, like rewriting the entire file? Let's see. It seems like it's rewriting again. So what is the problem? I mean, obviously. So let me see. Oh yeah, this is so annoying. Like, I don't know how to change it, but I always get this window opened by Linux. This text instead of opening a sign. Let me just see what is changed. Change this. Tool service. Description.
Do you understand the code that you're seeing?
Yeah, so right now I'm just changing the prompt, so this isn't really any, it's just natural language. Vibecode CS2 sheet. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's let's start like a open source project inside of my Discord. By the way, like if you people watching this stream haven't joined the Discord server, you can do that through the description. I don't know how many people of this watching like are new, but join the Discord server. Like you can talk with people like with the same interest, people at Vibecode, and you can share your projects, ask for feedback, etc. And like hopefully in the future. Why do you keep sending the picture of my flashbang face, Ostaver? Like that's gonna become a meme now. No, but join the Discord server in the description, and I hope you like the stream as well. I can't really see how many likes I have on the stream right now, but I hope you guys like the stream. That would be really kind of you. Let's actually restart this just for fun. And let's fix this. Actually, we can keep it this way. I'm always typing so wrong with this keyboard. My friend used to code CS 1.6 mods long ago before CSGO. We had code. I mean, you know, I'm a OG. Do you remember the HVH times? Dude, if you know, you know. I remember that times. Your vibe gonna be great 2026. Yeah, definitely. Have you seen that? You know, OpenAI, they have partnered now with Cerebrus, you know, the lab who's like extra. Yeah, now with those smaller changes. Yeah, so they have partnered with Cerebrus, which is like a lab who can make models run extremely quick. And so hopefully the next OpenAI model they release will be like really quick due to that. Because I guess like the GPT-2 5.2 model right now is extremely good, but it's so slow. That's the problem. Like the extra high version is so bad in terms of speed. So if they just made it a bit quicker, it would be nice. I like the app. Perfect, perfect. Zombie mods. Zombie mods? What do you mean? YK. Okay, so this is a lot better. This is how it is supposed to be. Can you see this? So now it's making smaller changes inside of files. I need to fix the UI a bit. You can see like we see the first box there, and then like it disappears and reappears. It's some small issues here with the UI, so I gotta fix that, but you know, we're getting there. So, you know, I think they announced next codex model to be really quick, but on the other hand, announcing ads on ChatGPT, yeah, I mean, that's stupid. But it was only for the free version and the Go version, right? So, I mean, I'm on the Plus version, so for me it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I mean, it's money. Everything is about money, I guess. That's the problem. And I mean, you can just like jump over to Gemini if you want, or Claude instead of using OpenAI. I don't even use OpenAI like ChatGPT that much anymore. I use Gemini, like the Gemini chat, and I use the Claude chat because I have the Max subscription, so it doesn't really make sense to switch to another AI for like simple tasks, because you basically only use ChatGPT for simple tasks, right? Like asking it to write a text, or you have like a random question about something. So imagine they add ads to Codex, that would be insane. Like you get the fucking ad in your code. It would be crazy. Okay, let's actually see here. I'm gonna drag over this, so we are gonna take a look at the TOS, I mean. This looks really nice, right? What do you think, guys? Does this look vibe coded, or does this look nice? Is this open source, bro? No, it's not. It's currently not open source. I'm working on this alone, but do you guys want me to open source it? Do you want me to open source it? I could potentially do it if you guys want me to do it, because I believe that the progress would be much better, I guess. But I'm working closed source right now. Holy shit, this guy is making changes. Okay, it's done now. The problem with this is I'm using the Minimax M2.1 model, and it's really slow, as you can see. It's like, it's not that quick. So that was a lot of changes. Anyways, let's see. So does this look vibe coded? Yeah. So as I said before, like I am not trying to improve this website. So this is like an old repo of my other project. So I have another project called sourcelet.com. This is my other project. I can actually put up the... This is the other project I have. It's called sourcelet.com, and you can check it out if you want. It's free. It's free to start using, but you have some limits. But basically what it is a... it's like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, an AI-driven text editor. So you basically type, and you can get like AI suggestions while you're typing. You have like an AI agent on the side who can help you with your text, like implement stuff directly in your document. It can give you suggestions on what to improve. You can run grammar checks to check for brevity, you know, like different ways of improving the text you have. And for example, here we have the checks. You can see if you run that on your text, it will show these diffs, and you can just highlight and accept or reject. So, and it also, I recently implemented pages to the app, so right now you can actually use it very similar to Google Docs or Microsoft Word because you actually have pages. Let me actually show you that. So let me create a new document here. So this is an empty document. Let me just scroll down. So as you can see, it has pages now. Very nice. So if I type here, I can actually export this. I can, for example, print this, and it's a perfect print. So what you also have on this website is collaboration. So you can basically invite other people to collaborate with you. So you can send an invite. So for example, if I take this and I send, this mail will get like a invitation. Let me show you how this works. Oh shit, I took the same account. Let me just fix this. Let's see. Okay, so for example, if I invite someone here, this is another account I have. I send the invite and I connect through another browser. Now it keeps logging me into the same account. I swear to God, this fucking browser I have sucks. Okay, now. Try doing this actually. This has worked before, like having the same browser, but apparently like the doesn't work now. Anyways, let me go. Okay, so see here this. Yeah, it was the wrong mail. There we go. So, for example, you can collaborate on this website. So you can invite people and work together with them. So you can see now I'm on my other monitor, and you can basically type together here and collaborate on documents, which is extremely nice. And yeah, so it's like a complete text editor. So check this website out and start using it if you want a better typing experience. I strongly recommend it. Let's go back to this. Okay, so now we have fixed that issue, but we still have this little padding issue with the box. Let me try and fix that. It was this chat, right? Let me see where you... This is... What does it mean? I think it's not really understanding what I'm saying. Oh shit, I gotta read the chat. It was some time ago. Code is this crazy. Imagine Anthropic publishing ad on ChatGPT. Yeah, that would be crazy. That's actually an interesting thought. Do you think they will like block every competition from having like ad on their site? Probably. Bit Vibecoded, yeah. Do you plan to add Cloud Co Agent SDK in the chat to have a chat UI? What do you mean exactly? Like Cloud Code? Do you mean like in terms of adding the Cloud, like Cloud models to my ID? Is that what you're asking? because the agent SDK, that's basically like the way of adding the models, right? If I understand you correctly. By the way, the description of GLM 4.7 Flash Day is optimized for agentic coding. Yeah, that's the thing. Like it is a like agentic coding, but I guess the problem is that it's a really dumb model. You know, it's like it doesn't score so good on the SWE bench. Let me see. Bye bye, Jesse. That's nice, man. I gotta go now. It's way midnight now for me. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna stream for so long either. I'm gonna end in. Or we'll see. Not soon. So yeah, thank you for visiting the stream. I mean, I'm probably gonna go live tomorrow, so I hope you will join that stream as well. Nah, you can have Claude button working in your. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Yeah. So maybe, I mean, that's a great idea, but because it's an IDE, I guess you could just use it in the terminal as like not you would normally do. So I don't really see the point of doing it. I mean, yeah, if you want the better like UI experience and UX, I guess that would probably help, but still, I don't think that's good. But maybe, we'll see. As you choose API or cloud subscription. But does that still work? Can you still implement like with your subscription? Because you know, Cloud Code, didn't they like block it for open code? Was it just specifically for open code, or is it for anything that is outside of Cloud Code, or how does it work? I got a suggestion. Don't really know what you're going to implement it, but if you can have Ralph loop implemented in your IDE as a feature, which can be used apart from planned build modes. I don't know, but might be cool. Yeah, that would actually be really cool. I mean, yeah, that would probably burn tokens a lot, but yeah, definitely. I will think about that, actually. I mean, probably. I think that would be better, better if I made the IDE open source, I guess, because you know. Okay, let's see. The issue was the launch. Okay, could be. Let's try improve the. What should we take? Let's take the contact page. Let's see. Oh shit. I almost forgot again to reload. You're ending stream. No, I'm not ending soon. I'm not ending. I said I will probably do it in some time, because you know it's really late and I'm from Sweden. So we'll see, but not yet. I will stay here. You can, I think. Yeah, probably. I look into that, definitely. I mean, if I make it open source, it makes more sense to have it like that, because, you know, people want to use their... Oh, look at this. It actually created a to-do now. Interesting. Haven't seen that, bro. Like, it's really bad at creating to-dos, this model. You can really tell the difference between different models, even open source. For example, the difference between Minimax and GLM 4.7. It's so big. The way it uses tools. You know, you have the same system prompt. Let's say you have the same system prompt, the same tool descriptions and everything, the same tools, but you test the two different models. They use the tools in two different ways. Let me just read this. Yeah, so they use the tools in two different ways. Like yeah, you can really tell the difference anyways. So that's why it's so important to like have different system prompts for each model. which I currently don't have because I've been working a lot on the UI actually, but I'm gonna fix that soon. But it's okay to end. Yeah, I'm gonna do it soon, but not yet. You know, I wanna stay here. I haven't live streamed for so long. I think, how long have I live streamed? How long has it been? I actually can't see it. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, 50 minutes. That's a while. Hope I can try it out when it's fully finished. Absolutely. I mean, this is the thing. If you join my Discord server, everyone here who is new, join my Discord server and just be a part of it, because I will soon... Either I will make this project open source, and like hopefully everyone in the Discord server who wants to can like contribute and, you know, make changes to it. Or if I make it subscription based, I will probably make sure that everyone who wants, that is part of my Discord server, will be able to use it for free also. Because, you know, I need feedback, obviously. You know, it's really hard to test it myself. The issue is not fixed, by the way. Yeah, but I will probably make it so that people in the Discord server can use it. So I would strongly recommend to join my Discord server if you want to be part of that. Look at this. Look so beautiful. It makes to-dos. You see this, guys? However, I don't like that it always... Okay, yeah, it's fine. I was thinking about this lint errors, but it's fine, it doesn't really... Now it's changing the translation file. Cool! You see this, guys? Luckily I'm already in. W, that looks so nice. Right, it's basically Cursor, but my own version. So... That's the thing, you know, there's a reason why Cursor is so... big. It's not just because the agent is really good inside it. It's mainly because of the UX, you know, the UI, I would say. At least from my experience, you know, I've been on the $200 plan, I've been on the $20 plan, I've used it for a very long time, and in my opinion, it's definitely the feeling of using it. It's so simple, you can always revert to a previous state. It's just a perfect UX, you know, and I think that's the reason why people use it. If you compare it to, for example, Windsurf, like I don't know, like Windsurf has its problems, and so let me see here. That was not the problem. Usually when I'm like vibe coding on my own, I'm a bit more focused, you know, I go through the files and I try to understand and not just re-prompt it, because, you know, this is like a fucking loop of just telling it to write more code, but I will try to be as focused as I can, you know. I'm trying to talk as well, because, you know, people don't want to watch a stream when I'm just focused and don't say a shit, I guess. Which is let's actually do this. I'm gonna do this. Make a small change to the contact page. You choose whatever. Just one small change. Because I wanna track, and I'm gonna do this. So no, actually, I'm gonna just let it run. This is also a bug I have to fix. It should say thinking deeply. You see this loading state, thinking deeply. It should say that in the beginning, because nothing has... Okay, let's see now. So it is the... Nothing is wrong here right now. Everything is running. Perfect. Should be working. Let me see. why not have just a team of few developers, vibe coders who will maintain? Actually, we were talking about maybe making this idea into something bigger. So we were talking about making this into like a collaborative IDE. Like imagine having cursor, but you can actually invite your friends or like your team and work together in the same IDE. You see each other, you have like shared agent chats, and you can basically like work together, you know, instead of having to rely on GitHub to like separate sessions. So we were actually talking about that, but I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. Depends. Put your Cherry logo in Discord icon. Should I do that? I was actually thinking about it earlier, but then, like, you know, I don't want the community to be, like, about me specifically. You know, I just started live streaming because it's fun, you know. I've been thinking about it for a while, and now that this shit happened, you know, with Richpine, I was like, why not? Let's start, you know. I created a Discord server and everything. But, I mean, I could technically do it, but it depends if it's fine for you guys. Otherwise, I will not do it, because, you know, I'm just trying to create like a community where people can just enjoy their time, meet other people, you know, collaborate, send their projects, like get feedback, all those stuff. I'm not trying to like make a community around me specifically. Let's see if it can one-shot it with some sub-agents. I'll have to upgrade my subscription tomorrow, because this is the thing when I'm using Cloud Code in a really big IDE, like a big repo. I constantly run explore agents or sub-agents, which, like, you see, it burns so much tokens. It's already like 40k. It's crazy. Oh yeah, you see it's 30 here as well. Like, it's crazy. It just eats my tokens, and that's a problem. Like, you can't really work in a big repo without using these sub-agents, because it's such a big code base. So, like, it's hard for the agent to get all the context it needs. And that's why I also like Cloud Code a lot, because it has these explore agents. It's so good, especially if you're like working inside different stuff. Like trying to implement new features, you maybe wanna edit existing features, and you need, like, you want to give the AI context, etc. Do all you want, but don't want to see dollar. Nah. No. Trust me, I've learned my lesson from the other community. That's the thing. Like, as I said, all I did when I was in that community was like chatting with other people. I was just in the voice channel talking with other people, like telling about my projects, looking at their projects, like just exchanging like ideas and time. And I understood that, like, when that community, you know, when that happened with him, I understood that, you know, the entire community would probably fall. Like, no one would use it anymore. And, you know, now that I saw like all the moderators lose their tags and everything, it was like, okay, this is over. So that's why I created a new community, because, you know, I think I did invite Andre to the community. Yeah, actually, so he joined the voice channel before I started his live stream, so I talked with him for some time. We talked about these different projects, and like AutoCloud he's working on, etc. It's interesting. Like, it's a big open source project, actually. I think what was it, like 9k stars or something on GitHub, and yeah, that's crazy. Actually, that's a lot of stars, and I think it was a 70 collaborators or something. That's crazy. Ooh, look at these guys. You can definitely see when it's vibe coded. I would say, like, if you compare, for example, let's take my let's take my other project as an example. Do you think this looks more vibe coded than this? Or does this look more vibe coded than this? Because like I've been trying to design this, of course with AI, because you know I'm using AI to create everything, and yeah, so I've been trying to make it not look like AI generated slop. Same goes for the front end, no, the main page, the landing page. As you can see, I think it looks kind of nice. Doesn't look that AI generated, at least. And that's the thing, like I'm working a lot inside of Figma when I'm designing. Now that I'm working on this IDE, I don't do it really, because you know I know how it's gonna look, you know, it's cursor basically. But let's try this again now. It succeed. Okay, so we have a new edit. Hopefully it fixes it. Let's see. Or it's just bullshit again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I started watching Andrew long back when I was watching. Bro was grinding and his open source AutoCloud got viral. Figma MCP any good? No, I haven't used MCP. I just said that I'm using. Oh shit! I didn't see what it did now. I'm so stupid. I just said that I'm using Figma for designing, like in my other projects. So I'm basically building the design there, making small. Oh, fix it. Nice. It fixed the problem. So I'm using Figma to design everything, and then I just implement it with the help of AI. I explain to it what I want. I take like screenshots, but I haven't used the Figma MCP. I've actually heard it should be good, because you know, like I assume it can instantly like implement the UI into your app without having to give it like context, I guess. Am I right? So I will definitely try that. Okay, so we fixed that issue. Now we have another issue we are gonna fix, and that is the thinking deeply text. So if you look here, when I send a message, for example, what does my code base do? Okay, so it does it here. That's interesting. Is that... Let me try another thing. Yeah, it works there. It could be due to the drop down. If we, for example, say... let's take the same prompt as before. Let's take this, we send that. Okay, this is really interesting. Why does it work now? It only happens sometimes. I hate when you get those bugs, like it only happens sometimes. It's hard to recreate. Really annoying. Let me see if the Gemini free preview model works. I haven't tried it in a long time because it's so slow. Yeah, it works. However, I can't see the thinking block. This is the problem. It flickers, you see. Like jumps. I gotta fix that issue. Yeah, I heard that too. Never used it though. Yeah, it's probably really good. I mean, I will definitely try that, as I said. But you know, now that I'm developing this, I don't really care about Figma and designing, because I I just open cursor whenever I need design tips. Okay, so good job, you fixed it. I'm actually not gonna create a new session here. I'm gonna give it the next prompt instantly. So another problem we have is that the transition between the header version and the edit toolbox with diff viewer is not correct. Here's. Guys, do you think I should use the do you think I should use Whisper Flow or any tool like that? You know, I type a lot. I don't really use those tools, but I guess they are probably really good to use. I did try it once. I remember Whisperflow had like a trial for 14 days, but the problem was that I noticed that I wasn't really thinking. I wasn't really thinking the same, you know, when I was using it. It wasn't like I was thinking through what to write, you know. So I ended up giving it like really bad prompts, especially when I was like trying to fix a really annoying bug and the AI didn't understand. You just gave it something really quick and yeah, just fucked up my focus, I guess. Check Super Whisper. Super Whisper, what is that? What is that? Let me see. Close this browser. Super Whisper. I guess this is not open source. Looks really professional. It's not for Linux. It's not for Linux. Okay, look here. $8 a month. Cool. Unfortunately, I'm on Linux, so I'm cooked. But yeah, so.
Hey, I want to show you a demo of Super Whisper using one of its most common use cases, sending email. Let's pop up mail mode. A few things about how I like to get started with John project. Here's my meeting link. Calendar. You can see here, it's built.
I don't know, like this feels like this is more for like advanced stuff, you know, email writing and etc. Like I just want a clean one for like everything. Yeah, but let me see this. This one, does it do it? Did it find the reason? It's free though. Most people use it for being free. Okay, so it is free. That's cool. I mean, yeah, I that's the problem. I'm on Linux, so you know the reason I moved, because I was like a power user of Windows before. That was like the only thing I used, Windows. But I noticed that the terminal experience in Windows really sucks. Like Cloud Code, you can barely use it. The terminals crash all the time. The chat like bounces up and down. It's so bad, the terminal experience. And like RAM management, you know, if you have, I have 32 gigs of RAM in my computer, and like the RAM management is so bad. Like I literally a few hours into Vibecoding, my computer like turns so slow, so it's not even usable. By the way, sorry if you hear something in the background. Let me see if I can. Do you hear anything in the background? Tell me if you hear anything, otherwise it's probably fine. So let's see, come on. Fix it, fix it, fix it. Hopefully it's fixed by now. I shouldn't have used the Gemini model, it's so slow. Come on, come on. I think it's probably thinking right now. I don't know like why it's so slow. It's probably thinking. Either it's thinking or it's like, oh, this is no token provided. Oh wait, I think maybe this, I don't know. I gotta think about this. Okay, let's try with another model. Yeah, so look, I didn't even see that's why. Okay, let's try with Minimax. buttons, you can quickly. Let me see what it does. No, we still have it. Ah, okay, so it's not like it's when this appears, I guess. I guess that's the problem. We need some kind of loading here because right now it waits for the diff lines to appear. That's a problem. Ah, okay. Okay. Is it called Monaco? I think it's called Monaco. I don't know. To appear, you need to make the edit toolbox with diff viewer to have a loading state inside where the diffs are supposed to work while it's waiting for it. Otherwise, we end up with this bug I explained before. Hopefully it will fix it now. Most people use it, you can vibe code Whisper Flow kind of thing for Linux using Whisper CPP. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can, but I think there's already open source version, so there's like no reason to reinvent it. I think I already have one downloaded. I did it earlier. I actually downloaded something. What was it called? It was like Handy. So I downloaded this earlier today just to test it out. Let me see it. Let me run it. Can't run it. I put it. Whatever. Yeah, but I downloaded some kind of thing called Handy, and it was like open source. And I tried it, and it worked great. You can even choose between different voice models. So it was great. And I guess that's the thing, because it's like such a small models, they are quick and you can run them locally. You don't need to use, for example, if you use Whisper Flow, it's through the API, so it's a bit slower. The chosen initial layout we estimate. It does that a timeout. Let me just check if this stream is. Yeah, this looks good. There's another one. Yes, that is fine. Let me reject that and see now if it works. Mod, maybe, so I can share. Oh yeah, of course. I will give you mod. I always forget to give like the moderators from. I think I have given 2 people mod now. Yeah. There you go. You should have it now. Let me see. Hopefully it will work now. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Doesn't work yet. That's the thing. Why does it flicker? Why does it? Okay, so that was not the problem. Let's actually compact this conversation. Mod maybe, so I can share this. I can't see a link if you shared it. I can't see. So let me know when you have sent it, and I will take a look. Let's wait for this conversation to. I can actually show a bit how this works while it's compacting. So this is basically an AI-driven agentic IDE, similar to Cursor. And how it works is that you have 2 different modes. You have the agent manager, which works similar to Cursor and anti-gravity, where you have like the sidebar of all the so-called threads or conversations, sessions, and so you can basically send multiple prompts here. So for example, I can send hello, write a text about Vibecoding, and then I can create a new conversation, write a text about dogs. I can go back here, and it's, you see. So it's basically like Cursor, where you have like the agent manager, and you can jump between each session. But if you don't like this, you think it looks too big or something like that, you can just untoggle it, and you have like the normal cursor looking sidebar, you know, like the original one. So that's what I'm doing. I don't like that anti-gravity has like this big model appearing when you toggle agent manager. It's just better to have it like this. You can resize this as well if you want it smaller. So much better, a lot cleaner. Let me just drink some water. By the way, I connected this really good microphone, so I don't know if this is like some ASMR session or something, because it's like a extremely good microphone. So let me know if you guys want some ASMR on this channel, and I'll make sure to do that. Oh, that's a good concept. Vibecoding ASMR. ASMR vibecoding. Damn, I would sleep to that. Like, imagine someone just sitting there, like, typing on his keyboard. He's, like, whispering. Damn, bro. Vibetyper.com. Vibetyper.com. They got for Linux. I don't know if it's better than having open source build. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right, damn. Like, that would be crazy.
Let me show you Vibetyper in action in any text box in any application. Let me wait for the, as you can see, Vibetyper immediately transcribes everything in real time for you.
Okay.
And then select any text and ask it to rewrite it based on your instruction. This is great for just brain dumping in like an.
Well, let me see. I missed the part where he.
As people are short text box. Let me show you.
Okay, it didn't type.
And cleaning up those notes afterwards. So let's just show you how it works here with this text. Rewrite this to be more professional in tone and make it more concise. So Vibetyper will take your text selection and then rewrite it based on the instruction that you give.
That's cool, that's cool.
Also copy anything to your clipboard and then use that as context for a reply. So if I copy this to my clipboard here, reply to this message, let them know the design will be ready on Tuesday. So Vibetyper will take what you've got in your clipboard and then generate a reply based on the high level overview that you give it.
What a good example, like he literally told it what to... Yeah, but yeah, this is a cool idea, this is a cool idea. Damn. Oh, welcome back, Max. Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, this is really cool actually, and you said it was, yeah, for Linux, look. Damn. Should I download it? Let me start it. Oh yeah, wait, I have to... Hello, executing. Bam! Look at this, I got it. So do I have to sign in? Okay, let's actually take this one. Where do I change the... Here. Control... Yeah, this is so bad. On Windows... Oh wait, you can? What the fuck? This didn't work on the open source. Hello, hello, hello? Oh, it's not... can you change it to be... Can you not change it to be... like... Stop on release or what you say, like hold. Do you have to toggle it? get used to that. Well, this is cool. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. So let's go back to the IDE. What were we trying? So now the issue remains. We still have the same issue where there's an empty or actually let's try the tool. No, we still have the same issue. Whenever the edit toolbox with the header only appears, it then disappears and it's just empty until the diff viewer appears. Either the edit toolbox with just a header should be visible until the diff viewer box appears, or the diff viewer box has to appear earlier. Please trace the core issue. Don't try to solve this by treating the symptoms. Okay, cool. Launch a sub-agent. Let's see. Listening to offline. I'm back. Just joined VC and heard my name twice. Lol. Wait, are you in the Discord? I can't hear whenever. Yeah, bro, Ostaver is like spamming the image. Do the flashbang. Guys, you gotta save this image. This is gonna be iconic. This is gonna be like the way to remember my start of streaming. The flashbang version of me. Let's see here. Oh yeah, so Max, you're in the Discord call. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if it can fix this issue. It would be really nice. But this is cool. This thank you for telling me about this vibe typer thing. Like it's actually. Oh wait, so it's only free the first 1,000 words. That's a bit sad. Let me see what it costs. It costs $8 a month. I mean, that's not that bad, but I mean, if there's open source versions which are like faster, then it doesn't make sense to pay that. Stolen it from me using Tray right now, as they've given 600 free credits for their anniversary. Oh, okay, really? I actually have an active Tray subscription. I wanted to test something new, like last week, so I just paid for it. I mean, it was like $3 first month, so it's actually kind of cool. Like, I actually like it. I think it's pretty cool. It has a nice UI at least, but the agent, and you know, they don't even have access to the Anthropic model either, so that's the problem. By the way, for everyone who is new to this stream, I would like to everyone who's new to the stream, let me show you what I'm working on. So this is basically an AI-driven IDE, similar to Cursor, and I'm trying to recreate Cursor basically, and my plan is to either go with subscription-based or I'm going to make it open source. I'm not sure yet, it really depends. I don't really know yet. I started this as like a cool project to trying to create something better than Cursor, like a better experience. I'm gonna try to make the different models perform much better, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I know that it's owned by ByteDance, so it's TikTok. Hello, use Warp, bro. There are voice feature included also. Okay, is that only if you pay for it, I guess? But like Warp, is that? I mean, how is the usage limit? Like, is it worth it? That's what I'm trying to ask. because like you know, I'm mainly using Cloud Code, so I wouldn't pay like $20 for an additional subscription just for the voice feature. Doesn't make sense. Add a built-in speech to text in your IDE. Just a small good feature. Dude, that's actually a good idea. And like, imagine making it so that you can toggle buttons. Because I know like Cursor, for example, will take this. This is anti-gravity. They have it, but you have to click this button, which is really annoying. So imagine just making it similar to Whisper Flow, but within the IDE, because that's basically where people are using the Whisper Flow feature. Most people are using it in the IDE when working. That's a great idea. Thank you for the idea. I'm actually gonna note that. Really good idea. I'm very early user to Tray 2. I made my account 303 days ago and 2 months after its release. Oh, really? That's cool. Really? I mean, so what would you say? I mean, now that you're like an experienced user, what would you say? Is it good? Is it bad? How do you compare it to Cursor, other IDEs? How do you compare it to Cloud Code? Because I've heard that Tray is really good at planning. Like, they have extremely good planning. So it could be cool. This guy is thinking a lot. Guys, I'm reaching my weekly limit soon. I gotta upgrade to the $200 subscription. The $100 isn't enough, apparently. And the fun part is that I'm literally working within one terminal most of the times. You know, I only switch to a new one in case I'm working on like 2 problems at the same time and don't want to interrupt the other chat. But that's basically only the case. And I mainly only use... I only work on one problem at a time. I just feel that's better. So another feature I've added that is pretty nice. I mean, it's just that you can highlight text and click add to chat. It appears here. And small thing. I gotta fix this as well. This is another bug we have to fix. So basically when you press here, you can see this menu appears and overlaps here, but I think it's better here. Yeah, here it appears underneath. So if I... But this feature works pretty good. You can type everything updates, editor. So that's another thing. I'm actually gonna prepare for next stream. I'm gonna make sure to write down all the problems like ready before I'm starting the stream, so that I don't really have to go on, you know, find every issue while streaming. I think that's better. It also makes the stream more interesting for you guys, because like you get to see me actually work on issues constantly rather than debugging all the time, you know, searching for issues. Let me see. This is the only term I'm using. Cloud. This is only term using. I don't really understand what you mean, Days. Can you try to type that again? It's got way better limits, other IDEs, and they also have Solo Coder plus Solo Builder. Also, Builder is basically will create your whole project for you, and Solo Coder is like an agent sort of thing. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. I remember those two stuff when I tried it. It was like Solo Coder and Solo Builder, exactly. And the Builder is like more for planning, right? Or am I stupid now? Is it the Is it the coder? I don't remember. But some of them was like the planning mode, and it was extremely good. It was good at planning. I mean, the only thing I didn't like, as said before, is that they don't have Anthropic models, so you can't use Opus 4.5. You basically have to rely on the GPT model, and as all of you know, it's really slow, and that's bad. I think Solo Builder is just for early stages of a project. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's true. So this one is thinking a lot. Holy shit. He's going for based on my I found the root cause, the issues running to success, active becomes okay, yeah, I see the problem. I had this problem before, but for another tool. This is actually the thing. I strongly recommend that when you Vibecode, use one terminal and read. I mean, now I'm obviously streaming, so it's harder for me to keep track on all the code changes. You know, I don't read everything as fully, but what I'm trying to say is that my recommendation is to not have 10 different terminals open at the same time. You want to read what the AI is typing, because then you will remember if you have same issues. You don't have to rely on the AI for, like, of course, you should use AI to implement everything. You should tell it to do everything. But what I'm saying is that if you have like an issue and the same issue repeats later for you again, if you have read the solution earlier, you will be able to tell the AI, like, hey, I remember the solution. The solution was to blah, 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 blah. And it will be able to solve it much easier, rather than you having to go through the same stage again. It has to search your code base, find the issues, you know, it might take just waste of time, you know. So I recommend have one terminal and read whatever the AI is saying. Only have 10 terminals if you are on some of the nose candy or speed. Yeah, that's exactly. Like, if you don't really care about the code, sure, I mean, you can have 10 terminals, and yeah, and I guess like the 10 terminals is probably good if you're on like this early stages, you know, you are trying to create like the entire infrastructure. So yeah, I guess so. But when you're making more targeted changes, you want to make like you want to improve like a specific feature, for example, in your app. Let's say you have like an AI chat and you want to improve it, you want it to respond really good. Make sure to focus with one terminal on that problem. Don't have 10 different terminals open, because, like, for example, you are improving the prompt. You know, I believe that prompt has to be, it's prompt engineering. You can't really just tell the AI to improve the prompt without reading what it does. So yeah, that's my tip, you know. Let's see if this is the solution. Hopefully it is. So, yeah. This is probably the solution, because I had a similar problem earlier, like a couple of days ago. I had a very similar problem. Let me see if there's anyone in the call. Hello, Tutu. How do I pronounce your name? Are you still here?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? What the hell? Like, I haven't heard anything, so I thought I was alone. That's crazy.
Yeah, I kinda zoned out and was doing my things.
Nice. What are you doing?
I was researching stuff about Supabase.
Okay.
And I was trying to calculate the usage of my app to get an estimation if it's okay or if I need to optimize some stuff storage wise.
I see. Nice, very nice. So you're using Supabase?
Yeah, it's the first time I use it, so I'm still learning a lot of stuff. I mainly wanted something so, you know, take a lot of the database stuff out of my head and focus on, let's say, more user-based stuff.
Yeah, I have actually used Supabase in the past, but like, I don't know, I had issues with rate limits. I was on the $20 subscription, but I had rate limit problems. I don't know if that's just me or if I did anything wrong, but oh shit, the problem is not fixed.
I have seen that the $25 subscription mainly gives you storage, extra storage and stuff like that. But
okay.
I have seen. Give me one moment.
Can you upgrade further after that, or is it just usage based? Oh, shit,
yeah. I saw somewhere that you can upgrade the hardware, the memory and the CPU.
Ah, okay, I see. So, you know, actually for my other project, I'm just using VPS. I just bought a cheap VPS on Hetzner, so it's like, I mean, there are downsides to VPS, like you don't get the CDN. You can use like Cloudflare, but yeah, but
I don't mind the user interface that much. Mostly it's the configuration part that I want to avoid, like to store the password securely and you know, all that stuff. That I didn't want. It's not that it's not okay to learn that those things too, but you can't learn everything at once.
yeah, I understand. Yeah, that's true.
I also thought maybe I could use like what's it called, SQLite, just for now, but I said why not try something like a backend as a service type thing. Yeah, okay, so I found it. If you see, I will send a screenshot.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just gonna prompt AI here.
Yeah.
You know, adding that little please will do a lot to the system prompt.
Yeah. Also, if you call him brother, it also helps sometimes.
Oh my god, Ostaver. Increase the bright. Guys, you gotta see this. You gotta. Okay, so this is a guy in my Discord, Ostaver or Ostaver. I don't know how to pronounce it, but he made it even worse. And then we have Max here. I think brightness is a bit. Yeah, this is definitely a meme. I'm cooked, guys.
I think you need to buy a light, bro.
I think brightness is a bit too low. Goddamn, guys, goddamn. So you want me to increase it? Is that what you're saying? Should I increase the brightness? Okay, let me see. What he typed. If you build a really complex code structure without knowing how it's structured, you can end up with a lot of problems. Reviewing is good. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you have a really big repository, like you of course, like Vibecoding doesn't mean you should review all the code. Like, you shouldn't read every single line of code, but you should still have like an idea of the structure, where everything is located, what the components is called, etc., so that you can easily feed the AI with the correct information, the correct context. So I would say it's gonna be so hard if you have a big repository and you know nothing about it. You don't know where stuff is, which file stuff is at. Like, it's just gonna make it so hard for the AI to know like where to look, etc. So yeah, I recommend that. And you know about the Steam Machine, Steam Box they're making for games? No, actually not. What's that? Or wait, maybe it sounds familiar actually. Steam Machine, Steam Box. Do you mean like the Steam Deck or whatever it's called? Is that what you're referring to? But some new version, or? Let me see that. Oh wait. Your games. Ooh, what is this? Is it like a new PlayStation? Your Steam library in more places. We don't with over 6. Okay, interesting. Steam OS. Yeah, so it is like the Steam Deck basically. Am I right? Because they also had like the Steam OS, I guess. Or is this like a new thing? Power connected to storage. But like, what is it supposed to run? Is it like specific games that is made for it, or can it run literally anything? Like, can you play Counter-Strike on it? Is it like a computer basically, but smaller? Or yeah, it is. What the fuck? Whoa, this is cool. Right? Yeah, and it's a PC. Look, damn. They're competing with a. This is crazy. 16 GB. But this is like you can upgrade it, right? Here and all. Is that, did I scroll past it? No, maybe I didn't. Maybe it's down further. Oh yeah, here. Steam frame, I guess. Steam Deck. Steam machine. Probably better specs than my current PC. Yeah. This is the specs. You can see CPU, so it's 4.8 GHz. That this is actually it's good. I mean, hopefully you will be able to upgrade the parts. That's the only thing that is important, because you know it's a big no-no if you can't, you know, upgrade the parts. And hopefully you will be able to change the specs as well, like buy a version with more RAM or something like that. I mean, this is, yeah, I mean 16 GB is actually quite low if you're doing like tasks that require a lot of RAM. For example, editing, you know, like editing videos and stuff like that, like video rendering. I would say like it's RAM is extra important. So yeah. Anyways, let's go back to the AI. What do you say?
These machines, I don't think they're intended for professional work. They're like a PlayStation competitor, let's say, for PC.
Ah, yeah, that makes sense actually.
Yeah, at least that's the way I see it. So, and I think that's also the way they market it.
Yeah. Yeah, I see your point, but that's the thing. Is people really gonna buy this? Because, you know, like, are people really gonna buy it when you like can only use it for gaming? I mean, you want a PC. The reason why you have PC is to be able to use it for different stuff, right? But yeah,
I mean, that cube thing that may be upgradable, but the handhelds, I don't know. I find it kind of difficult.
yeah. I mean, if they offer like good prices, then it's definitely worth it. It might be like that, and you know, like better. For example, if you take Xbox and PlayStation, they have pretty shitty specs, but they make sure that every game can run at like stable 60 FPS. So hopefully, it will be the same for this one.
Yeah, I mean, the cube thing. Someone says in the chat that it's a console specifically for gaming.
Exactly. Yeah.
The cube thing I saw in the website, like they have an icon with someone coding or making graphics, so maybe that specific device is not only for gaming.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I saw a picture here. Did you see the video? Like, it seems like they are working. See? If you look at my stream.
Yeah. It has like 10 seconds delay, so
Yeah.
this that's the one I was referring to.
Yeah, exactly.
It
Yeah.
shows some game design, I think.
Yeah. But this is promising. Like, I will definitely check this out as soon as it's gonna be released. It's a cool thing. I mean, and I like that it's really compact. Like you can take it anywhere. It's not like a big fat computer, you know. Let's say what it says. VR2 Linus Tech Tips made a video on it, I think. Oh, okay, like a pre-release. Like, has he used it before?
Under $500, that's actually crazy.
Is it under 500? Oh yeah, he said it.
He said rumors. So
yeah, that's basically what I said. Like, if they wanna compete with like normal PCs in some way, they have to make it cheaper, because what you're basically paying for here is gaming specifically. So if you're fine with not doing professional work, then yeah.
I don't know nowadays though how they're going to find a cheap RAM. That's the toughest part.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, the RAM is cooked right now, to be honest. Okay, let's see here. I can clean but it's a minor issue. Yeah, who cares?
So, William, I have to go. So,
Okay.
It was a nice chat today.
Absolutely. I mean, you can just join tomorrow. I will probably go live tomorrow again, and you can just join and talk.
Yeah, of course, sure.
Yes, have a great time.
Bye. Good night, guys on the stream.
Yes, good night.
See ya.
See ya. Okay, let's see this. Please work now, come on. Please, AI. This is like, this is literally the definition of vibe coding. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's better at least. Yeah, this is better. I mean, now it doesn't have that issue. Yeah, but this is like the definition of vibe coding, just begging for it to work. But that's kind of fun. I mean, you know, like the reason, I mean, I would say like, before, when you when you typed code manually, you enjoyed the process more of coding, like solving single bugs, solving single issues, and like developing certain function, etc. But like here, it's more like you enjoy the result, Like here, it's like you enjoy the creating the app more on a fundamental level. Like it's not more the process that is. Oh wait, one. Please work. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Please work. Now I understand. Yeah, please work. That's basically it. Just scream at it.
Recently,
okay, it's 20 minutes long. I'm gonna check this out later. Like this is cool. Like I'm actually interested. You made it interesting. Like I definitely want to know what they are creating. So we still have the issue. Let me just rerun this to see one more time if I can see what could potentially be causing this. Okay, so it disappears. Okay, interesting. So good job, you fixed the wrong position problem. However, we still have the problem where the header version disappears until the diff viewer appears with the inline diffs. So what I noticed is that the header only version is only visible until changes has been applied into the file. File has been changed. It goes away, stays. A few seconds later, we see the when there's nothing visible. Guess yeah. Hopefully it will fix this issue by now. It would be really nice. Yeah, but like, so we'll see if I make this project open source. It would be really cool to make it open source actually, because you like, just imagine having an open source version of Cursor and like everyone is just contributing to it and making it like even better and better and better. And yeah, that would be like crazy, because if you think about it, are there like any open source IDEs now. I mean, we have Void, which I basically forked. Void is like an open source project, VSCODE fork, but it's so bad. Like if you go to GitHub now and you fork Void, it's super bad. Like you can literally, if you turn on an AI model, it will not be able to do anything. It's like, it's so outdated, and I think that's because they discontinued it maybe a few months ago. I don't remember exactly, but they discontinued the project, so it's just like an old, outdated version. So it sucks. So this has required like a lot of changes to make the agents actually work, and like the diff inlining. Elon and Sam beef on X. Really? Really? About what? Let's see. Like, is it something... Is it something recent, or... Let me see. See this shit. Sometimes you can complain about ChatGPT being too restrictive, and then in case it's too relaxed, almost 1 billion people use it, and some of them may be referring to mental states. It's generally hard. We need to protect vulnerable users while also making... Apparently more than 50 people have died from crashes related to autopilot. Oh, really? That's crazy. I only ever rode in a car using it once some time ago. Ah, okay, so he's like referring to... I see. So he's referring to this post, and don't let your loved ones use ChatGPT. Oh my god, I see. Damn. That's crazy. I mean, it's not a like new thing that Sam Altman and Elon Musk hate each other. First Elon Musk wants to buy Ryanair, and now he's talking about ChatGPT. Yeah. I mean, they really hate each other. I mean, it's basically, it comes from the fact that Elon Musk had to... Wasn't it like he left OpenAI, right? And after Elon Musk left OpenAI, it like started, that's when it like blew up and became like the ChatGPT we know it today. And I guess that's what made him like extremely mad. Damn, what is he doing? Just... Yeah, so that's crazy. Yeah. We'll see what happens. I mean, the thing is that Elon Musk has a lot of money. He can use his money to invest in XAI. He can buy a lot of AI engineers, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see like what happens. I mean, to begin, like when AI first started, OpenAI was like the biggest thing. Now we have Anthropic. Now Anthropic is #1 in terms of coding, at least, and yeah, like, you never know. I think like it could potentially become XAI soon. XAI owns the largest AI data center called... Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like he can literally just print money. No, but he can just throw money at the company. So that's what I'm saying. We don't know what it might look like soon. Imagine like 1 year from now, XAI is the big thing and OpenAI is like not even relevant anymore. That's how fast AI is developing at this point. And the fun part is that whatever company has the best AI model is the company that is relevant. That is how it works right now. And yeah, I guess kind of interesting to see. We'll just let the time show us whatever happens. OpenAI is good for daily use, like asking a question about something for coding. It's awful. Yeah, I mean, it's really slow. Yeah, I totally agree. I don't understand what the problem is, because if we actually look up here, we go to OpenRouter and we search for Codex 5.2, for example. Let's take this one. Look, the tokens per second. It's 40 tokens per second. I mean, that's not that bad. And if you go to, for example, Opus 4.5, it's even worse. It's even slower. I guess this reflects like the tokens per second in Claude Code. But what I'm saying is that I don't think the problem is the TPS, tokens per second. The problem is like the way they train the models. Like, it's just a slower model. It reasons more. It's a more like it's reasoning heavy. I think that's the problem. And yeah. Among them, I like Dari, CEO of Anthropic. Here is what he said a few hours ago. Software engineering will be automatable in 12 months. Yeah. Imagine, dude. I mean, it's not even worth, like, for people who are studying, it's not even worth studying software engineer anymore. They're gonna be so cooked. It's probably better, like, if you're interested in like computers and, you know, like computer science, I would probably recommend to read more about, you know, like IT, I guess. Grok Code Fast 1 is the most used AI coding model. Really? Is that so? Because it's free. Okay, that makes sense. Bro, I am in last semester. You're in last semester of software engineering. You are cooked. No, I don't think you're cooked. I mean, I don't think they're gonna automate it. Like, I don't think that's how it's gonna go soon. I think they will need people. What's gonna change is probably how many developers they need. For example, we know that now that we have AI, they need fewer developers to accomplish the same, you know, like amount of stuff. So as they needed before. So I guess that's the biggest thing. It's gonna be harder to find jobs because they don't need as many programmers, basically. But they will for sure need them, I guess. Holy shit, this guy is thinking. Like, why is my Opus so slow right now? It's like it's wasting so much tokens. 32k tokens, and it hasn't even done. But that's good, he's thinking. Still need devs for good UI, lol. Yeah, I mean, you should probably... Yeah, I guess UI is a thing that you could study. But like UI as well, I think it's gonna be replaced by AI. It's the same there. You know, as they get better, they will be better at designing stuff. But yeah. But that's the thing with AI, like, it tends to always rely... It always tends to, for example, make designs in a certain way. If you ask AI, create me a landing page, you don't give it any context. For example, I want this, I want this, I want this. You just say, I want a landing page. You will like get a very similar design and structure if you do it multiple times. And I think that's the problem. Like, the skill isn't in the model itself, the skill is in who like runs the model. So yeah, a person who can describe for the AI what they want, the structure, like the colors, everything, it's gonna be way better than AI doing it itself, because it always does the same kind of designing as it's trained to do. It doesn't have that kind of brain as we humans have, in terms of like we can see what doesn't look good, you know. So yeah, AI is kind of like just a repetitive robot, you know. It always uses gradient. Example, that's a good example. Like, it always does the gradient colors. It's really bad. And the only way to not make it use gradient colors is by telling it to use other colors. And that's what I'm saying. Like, is the AI, are we gonna reach a point where the AI can decide on itself without always relying on its pre-trained, like it's on the stuff it's been trained on? I guess that's gonna be interesting to see. I mean, sometime in 6 months, XAI will top AI leaderboard for coding without a doubt. Sure, yeah, definitely. I think so too. I mean, money can buy anything, right? Fallback until, okay, so it creates a fallback. But this is the thing, like, why do we need a fallback? I mean, obviously it shouldn't. It should just show instant. It should just show the header version until it's. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Might work. It's compacting right now, but I assume it's. Let's try it. Fuck it. Let's see. AI defaults to creating fallbacks. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. For the podcast I really like about AI are from Diary of CEO. He invites the parents. Yeah, dude, I listen to him all the time. He's oh shit, I didn't see the change. Yeah, definitely. He's such a good like podcaster. He always invites he always invites interesting persons, and I like that. Like interesting people. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Unfortunately. So yeah, I listen to him a lot. It's interesting. Come on. This is the problem. But it's so slow now. I don't understand why. It's like thinking so much. Holy shit. You see this? Like usually Anthropic is a lot quicker, but I don't know. It's a bit slower. I also have the Codex subscription here on the side. You see this? So I could technically use Claude as well. So typically, like when I use Claude, I always use the extra high option because it's only at extra high version it actually beats the other models on benchmarks. But then you gotta wait like a few years for it to be done. So that's the thing. Oh, this is good for long-running tasks. Yes, it is certainly, and I only use it whenever I run into a big issue that I can't solve myself with Opus. Then I have to ask Codex to fix it for me and try that way. But that's the thing. Like I've said it many times before to people, but the problem with Codex is that it's so slow. So you have to wait like 30 minutes for it to be done. And when it is done, it might not even be correct. Like it might be a shit solution or like just shit changes that doesn't work. Then you have to wait another 20 minutes. And it's like you're getting nowhere. Like you can't use it. So yeah. It's a bad IDE. I mean bad model, I mean. So I guess Opus is better in that way, but we'll see. So I plan to actually, as soon as I've came to like a state where I think my IDE is good, my own IDE here. As soon as I believe it's really good, I will start to use it on live streams, because I think that's a good way to like show it up, like show it for the people so you can see what I've created, how it performs, etc. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be cool to live stream Vibecoding with my own tool. Like imagine that. Isn't that really cool? When was Opus 4 even released? It's a while ago, right? It's like a couple of months ago. Opus 4.5 release date. November. Okay, it's not that long ago. It's November 24th. So it's kind of new. So we can't expect a new model soon. I mean, probably OpenAI is gonna release something, because I think the Discord. What's happening on Discord now? No, no, no! What the fuck have you done? Oh my fucking god! You are. Okay, guys, I'm gonna quit streaming. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit streaming. My first day of streaming, I'm gonna quit. The first fucking. Oh wait, there's no sound. Oh wait, I know why. I know why. It's because I have the background music. So let me see. Wait, what's happening? Wait, do you hear the background? Have you heard the background music? Soon? I know why. No, you don't hear the background music anymore. What the hell? I have no idea. Okay, now we can hear. Can? This is so weird. Anyways, let's see it. So, can you hear this? Tell me if you can hear this, or I will try to fix it.
What is my fucking...
What? What?
Did you hear this? Still no audio, what the fuck? See. Oh yeah, you can. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, let's watch it one more time. The fun thing is that this fucking video, like the original video, I've seen it so many times. Just with a different person every time.
What is my fucking...
What? What?
Yeah, this is crazy. Little idiots. Okay, so what have you done now, Claude? Dude, it's still working! What the fuck is this? Holy guys, do you see this? Like, it have been thinking now for like... Let me see, you can see the timer. 18 minutes! Guys, do you see this? Opus had been thinking for 18 minutes! Almost 20 minutes! What the fuck? Did GPT 5.2 fucking take over? Did it invade my Claude Code subscription? Hey, idiot. Did you invade my Claude Code subscription? Okay, so, okay, didn't do it. What the fuck? That's crazy. Okay, so let's turn on the music. Do you hear the music, by the way? Idiot. Did you invade my Claude Code subscription? Okay, so, okay, didn't do it. What the fuck? I gotta check if I can hear. Okay, so let's turn on the music. Do you hear the music, by the way? Bro, why can you not hear the music? That's crazy. Like, why can you not hear the music? I don't understand. I have to fix this for the next stream. Because this is really weird. I don't know, it worked when I started the stream, but now it's not working anymore. Whatever. That happens. Let's see here. The fix is in place. Okay, so it has made some more changes here. So let's try this. Music is playing on your end, by the way. Yeah, exactly. I know. That's the problem. Like it's not playing. I don't know why. Like it's a local file. You see, it's a local file. But for some reason, and I even have it on loop, and it's not playing. So it's probably something with OBS. It has crashed or something. I don't know. So whatever. I'll fix it for the next stream. But you know, you'll have to enjoy my beautiful voice together with the sound on my keyboard. So let's see if this works now. There we go. I was about to say Yeah, probably. Let me try something. So if I take an whatever, guys, I don't know. I was trying something, but it doesn't work. It's nothing on my end. The problem is it's OBS. That's the thing. It's like because I can hear also. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I just tried muting everything, but yeah, now we didn't see this thing. Just open the MP3 file and have it on your background. Yeah, okay, I could do that. Why I didn't want to do it before was because let me see. Yeah, so the reason why was because then I also hear the music, and if I hear the music, I will not be able to hear the people in Discord as good. So, yeah, that's the problem. Okay, now let's try this issue. I have to check if it works. Now it works! Let's go! Oh my god, it's so annoying to hear this music. Fucking random ass 80s music. Damn. Now we're locked in. Yeah, now we're locked in, exactly. It's working now, did you see this? So, I saw a little bug there, it like jumped a bit, but we still had, like it's still working, so that's progress. Okay, let's ask it, make 3 changes to contact page. And what model should we use? Tell me, what model? You guys decide. Unfortunately, I have this fucking delay, 10 seconds delay, so I have to wait now. You guys have to wait 20 seconds for it to... Yeah, okay. GLM, okay, GLM model, GLM. So let's see how it works, because this is open router. I used Together AI before, which was quicker, but it had problem with like leaking tool call XML tags in the response. What a big change, is just changing the text. Make sure you don't hardcode the maximum amount of tools. Let it choose how many by itself. Okay. Is that like, can that cause the issue or what? Is that what you're saying? Dude, this is the problem with listening to the music. I'm trying to... I'm always taking off one ear of the headset because, like, it's so hard to hear myself talk when I have the music exploding in my ear. So, sometimes if you set the max amount of tool calls, it tries again, so it showed the call. Okay, yeah. I'm from Sweden, so that's why my English sucks. Because I'm not American, unfortunately. But yeah. So I'm from Sweden. Turn off the music, don't really need it. Nah, dude, we need to vibe, you know. The music is the vibe. You know, there's no vibe coding without music. Okay, so you see it works. It did some errors here, for example here, the address was not applied, the text in the original message. Okay, so you see we have small errors here, and I don't know if that's something I can fix. I don't know if it's like a model problem. that's what I have to experiment with, because I get this on some models. This only happens on some models. You can hardly hear music anyway. Really? Yeah, let's just take off the headset then. That's probably the best solution, right? Do you hear it better now? Yeah, I would assume it's a model problem. I mean, yeah, I don't get. I can actually try the same thing. Let's revert. Bam. So now it's reverted back to the previous state. We choose Minimax instead. We let it run. Let's see. So that's also a problem. I just noticed. You see, it's first it shows the. Okay, I just noticed a problem. So it puts the exploring drop down in the middle when it's, yeah, you see it's after it arrives. Okay, so that's a problem. We gotta fix that tomorrow. I'm not gonna fix that right now. Okay. Okay, now this appeared. Yeah, so we still have a few problems. I don't know why we get this problem, but we gotta fix it. Anyways, I'm gonna stop the stream now. It's getting too late and I have to sleep, so I don't wake up too late tomorrow. But I will stream tomorrow, so if you enjoy the stream, please join tomorrow and we'll stream. I'll start to stream a bit earlier tomorrow as well, so that yeah, I will start the stream a bit earlier tomorrow so that we get more time to stream. I mean, I've been live now for 2 hours and yeah, it's a short time. 8 AM for me. Oh really? Are you from United States? I would assume. I mean, 8 AM, that's crazy. And by the way, I will fix the delay tomorrow. So tomorrow there will be no delay, or at least just a few seconds, not 10 seconds. That's crazy. So Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia, okay. So yeah, that's the thing, like that's good for you, I guess. That's good for you, because then... No, wait, that's actually bad. I thought you said 8 PM. That would be better. I'm from England, lol. Oh, you're from England. You are England, yes. Where in England are you from? Folio, whoa. Yep. Guess we gotta fix these issues tomorrow. Northampton. Okay, cool. So you watch a lot of football, I would assume. I mean, isn't that like the only thing you do in England? Watch a Premier League? Quite a bit, yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end my stream here, but as I said, I will be live tomorrow, so please join the stream tomorrow, and I will continue working on this app, and hopefully I will be done soon, so that you guys in the chat and everyone else can test my IDE, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you, good night, have a great time, see you guys.